Yes, welcome back. I think you have done your homework. Please send me through the Google Classroom so that if there is mistake, I will correct and send it to you. Okay. Let us continue. I think up to question number 12 we have given us homework. Let us look question number 13. What is question number 13? A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number. Find the probability of getting a number lying between 2 and 6 and an odd number. Look, when you throw a die, which are the possible outcomes? Yeah, possible outcomes are 1. Which are the possible outcomes there? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total number of possible outcomes is 6. Clear? So what is the first question? Find the probability of getting a prime number. Which are the prime numbers there? Among these 6 numbers, which are the prime numbers? Which are the prime numbers? Prime numbers means the numbers that we cannot divide by any other number. That you can just simply remember like actually the numbers that has only 2 factors are called prime numbers. 1 is 1 a prime number? No, 1 is not. 1 has only one factor. 1 has only one factor, so it is not considered as not considered as a prime number. It is neither a prime nor a composite. So the first prime 2 we can divide only by 2. 3 we can divide only by 3. 4 no. 4 means we can divide by 4, we can divide by 2. That means more than 2 factors are coming there. 5, yes, we can divide only by 5. 6, no, we can divide by 6, we can divide by 2, we can divide by 3. That means, yeah, 6 is not a prime. So how many prime numbers are there? We have 3 prime numbers. So to find the probability of getting a prime number, the number of favorable outcomes, how many are there? 3 are there. Write the formula. Probability of getting a prime number is equal to, what is the formula? Yes, number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. That means number of favorable is, how many prime numbers were there? Yeah, 3 are there. 3 by 6. 3 by 6. Cancel by 1, 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. That means answer is 1 by 2. Then what is the next one? Probability of a number lying between 2 and 6. Which are the numbers lying among these 6 numbers? Which are the numbers lying between 2 and 6? That means after 2 and before 6. Which are the numbers? Yes, the numbers that are lying between 2 and 6 are 3, 4 and 5. How many are there? How many are there? Yes, 3 are there. So probability getting a number, right? So number of favorable outcomes will be 3. Write the cost formula and do it. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to 3. 3 by 6. That means 3 by 6. Same way cancel by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 3 are 6. Answer will be how much? 1 by 2. Simple only. Can write. Getting? Then what is the next one? An odd number. Which are the odd numbers here? Yes, try. Yes, 1, 3 and 5. How many are there? 3 are. So number of, for this odd number, number of favorable outcomes will be, yes, 3. Probability will be 3 by, same way, probability of getting an odd number is equal to number of favorable by total. Always write the formula, number of favorable by total number of outcomes, that is m by n, that is 3 by 6, cancel by 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are, answer is 1 by 2. Is not clear then, 1 by 2. Clear? Okay, let us look the next question. What is the next question there? It is based on the card only. Read the question there. A card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of different. What is the first one? So total number of possible outcomes will be how much there? How many cards are there? All together, how many cards are there? Yeah, 52. So total number of possible outcomes will be 52. What is the first one? A king of red color. A king of red color. We know altogether how many kings are there? Yes, we have how many kings? 4 kings are there. Do all that 4 kings are in red color? No, 2 of them are 4 kings are there. 2 of them are black and 2 of them are red. So how many are there? Red kings. How many are there? The king of diamond. Which are they? The king of diamond and the king of hearts are the red. So total how many are there? How many red kings are there? 2. Yes, so probability of getting a red king means number of favorable outcomes will be 2. 2 by total will be, yes, 52. Write the question, write the formula. King of red color getting is equal to number of favorable by total number. That means 2 by 52. 2 by 52 cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 6 are. So answer will be 1 by 26. Clear? So what is the next one? A face card. Face card means which are the face card? Yes, I think you remember king, queen and jack of each suit is are called face card. Total face cards, how many are there? Here 3 are there. 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 4s are 12 are there. Total how many face cards are there? 12 are there. So probability of getting a face card, number of favorable outcomes will be, yes, how many? 12. Find that one. Face card. Face card means number of favorable will be how many? 12. 12 by 52. Cancel by 4. 4 3s are 4 1s are 4 3. So 3 by 13. Answer will be 3 by 13. Getting there. What is the next one? A red face card. So total how many face card? 12 are there. Here what is asking in the next one? A red face card. Face card. These are the face cards. Among this one, how many red cards are there? These are the red cards. Red face cards. How many are there? Of diamond and heart. The face cards of diamond and heart. Which are they? How many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So number of favorable outcomes will be 6. A red face card. Probability of getting a red face card is equal to number of favorable. Write the formula always. Again telling 6 by 52 cancel by 2. 6 by 52 cancel by 2. 2 3s are 26. That means 3 by 26. Getting that. What is the next one? A jack of hearts. In hearts, how many? This is heart. How many jack are there? Yes, there is only one. So probability of getting a jack of heart is equal to 1 by 52. Direct only number of, always write a formula. Okay, number of favorable by total number of outcomes. Clear? Then a spurt. How many are there? Spurt. Spurt means this one. It is a suit. It is a type of cards. A group of cards. How many are there? Yeah, 13 are there. So probability of getting a spurt is equal to number of favorable will be 13. 13 by 52. Cancel by 13. 13 ones are 13. 13 fours are 52. 1 by 4. Okay. Always try to cancel. Then what is the next one? What is the next one? A queen of diamond. In diamond, a queen of diamond. These are the diamond. In that diamond, how many queen are there? Only one. So what is the probability? 1 by 52. A queen of diamond. Queen of diamond means number of favorable by total. That means 1 by 52. Getting? Okay. Let us try it. Make sure that the chart you know clearly. Okay, just to make the chart and paste somewhere, so you can, if you don't know, I think you know it, you are playing cards, you may be knowing it, otherwise you make the chart and paste somewhere so that it will become familiar with you. Then what is the next question? To question number 15. 5 cards, the 10 jack and queen and ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards. One card is then picked up at random. So we are not taking all the 52 cards. In for this question, we are taking only 5 cards. Which are the 5 cards we are taking? We are taking the card of 10, 10, yes. Then which jack? Then which one? Queen, king, and ace of which one? Diamond. We have 5 cards. Which are the 5 cards? 10, queen, jack, king, and ace of diamond are there. 5 cards are there. They are mixed up and keeping their face downwards. From that means total number of possible outcomes will be only 5, not 52. We are taking only 5 cards, so number of possible outcomes will be 5. Then probability of getting a queen. Out of these 5, how many queen are there? Yes, only 1 is there, so probability will be 1 by 5. Write the formula and do it. Clear? Then the queen is taken. So we had 5 cards. From that 5 cards, what is there? One card is taken. The queen is taken and keeping aside. We are not mixing up again with that 5 cards. That means now we have only 4 cards. Which are the 4 cards there? Now the queen is taken from here. Queen is taken. Balance which are there? 10 is there. Jack is there. King is there. Ace is there. These are the 4 cards now we have. From these 4 cards, what is the probability getting an ace? How many are there? 1. 1 by total will be not 4. Total will be only not 5. Total will be only 4. Getting? So 1 by 4. What is the next one? Probability getting a queen. So we know first we had a 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace. But now from that when King is taken out, Queen is taken out, so balance only 4 cards are there. Balance which are the cards remaining? 10 is remaining, Jack is remaining, King is remaining and Ace is remaining. From these 4 cards, what is the probability getting a queen? Do we get a queen from here? Is there any queen? No. So that means it is an impossible event. Getting a queen from these 4 cards, there is no queen, then how can we get a queen? So probability getting a queen will be, from this case, the probability getting queen will be an impossible event. So probability will be 0. Clear? So here is no queen, so no chance of getting queen. That means it is an impossible event. So probability of impossible event will be always 0. Getting? Let us look the next question. What is the next question there? 12 defective pens are accidentally, question number 16. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good. So how many defective pens? 12 pens are there. How many good pens are there? 132. These two type of pens are mixed together. That means total will be 140. So total number of possible outcomes will be 1. So 132 was there, with that one good pens were there, with that one 12 bad pens are mixed together. Getting? So find the probability getting a good pen. Good pen, number of favorable, good pen. How many are there? Good pen, how many are there? 132. 132 by 144 can cancel. 132 by 144 can cancel by 4. 4 3s are 4 3s are 4 3s are 20. Oh, sorry. Cancel by 3. Yes. 3 4s are 3 4s are 3 4s, so 44. Yeah, that is why the mistake. 3 4s are 4 8. Again by 4. 4 1s are 4 divided by 12. 11 by 12. Before I wrote 1 only there instead of 144. That is okay. So answer will be 11 by 12. Getting? Yes. Let us try the next one. Try it. Yes. Let us try the next question. Question number 17. A lot of 12 bulbs. Look, before one means 132 good pens and 12 pens, bad pens are mixed together. Here, what is the question there? A lot of 12 bulb. We have 12 bulb. 20 bulbs. It contains, out of these 24 of them are defective one. Not 4 bulbs are mixing together. It is a packet of 20 bulbs we are getting there. Out of that 24 are defective. That means the total is not 24, total is only 20. Number of defective is 4. That means how many are there? Good one? Yes, 16 are there. Find the probability of getting good one. The same way, number of favorable by total, 14 by 16 by 20. 16 by 20 can cancel by 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 5 by 4. Okay. Then what is the next one? Number second. Suppose the bulb drawn in number 1, that is the first one, is non-defective. That means in the first case we are taking a good bulb from there. So total how many were there? How many good bulb? Total 20 were there. Out of that 20, how many were good bulb? 16. Yeah, 4 were defective and 16 were good. From there, one bulb is taken. From that 20, one good bulb is taken there. One bulb is taken. That means balance only how many are there? 19 will be there. That good bulb we taken and not keeping it back. We taken out one bulb. That means total number will be how many? 19. Out of that 19, how many are bad? We are taking from 20, 4 were defective one. That will remain there. Only one good bulb is taken. That means how many good bulbs are remaining there? 15 good bulbs are remaining and 4 defective bulbs are there. That means total number will be number of defective. Out of that 19, number of defective will be 4 because we did not take any defective bulb. We are taking only a good bulb. Good bulb how many? 15. So probability of getting a good bulb will be 15 by 19. We cannot cancel it. Getting understood? 20 were there, 4 are defective, one good one is taken from there, balance only 19. That means out of 16 good one is gone, balance only 15 will be remaining. 20 is not there. That one bulb we are not keeping it back. That means the total number will be 19 and good bulb will be 15 and defective one is 4 remaining there because we are not taking a defective one out from there. Taking out the defective one from there. Okay. Then getting the question number. A box contain 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. One disc is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability it bears a 2-digit number? So total how many are there? It is the numbers from 1 to 90. 1 to 90. So total how many are there? 90, and total number of possible outcomes is 90. Out of what is the probability getting a 2-digit number? 2-digit number means it is starting from 10, 11, 12 up to 90. Total 90 are there. So before this 10, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are there? 9 are there. That means from that 90, 9 of them are not a 2-digit number. They are single digit now. So how many 2-digit numbers are there? Instead of counting from here, is by easy there. 9 subtracting from there, we get to the 2-digit numbers there. That means total how many are there? Up to 90, how many 2-digit numbers are there? 81. So number of favorable outcomes 81. 81 by 90. We can 81 by 90 can cancel by 9. 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. Clear? 9 by 10. Then what is the next question? Sorry. What is the next question there? A 2-digit number. Second one, a perfect square. Perfect square means which are the perfect squares up to 90? Yes. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. How many are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total number of favorable outcomes will be, yes, 9. 9 by 10. 9 by 90. Cancel by 9. That is also cancelling by 9 only. 9 ones are 9. 9. 10. Then a number divisible by 5. Which are the numbers divisible by 5? Yes, you can just count 10. Yes, 15. 5, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, up to 90. Count it. Just write and count it. There are 18 numbers. Yeah. So number of favorable outcomes will be 18. So probability of getting a number divisible by 5 is equal to number of favorable by total 18 by 90. Can cancel by, first we cancel by 9. 18 by 90 cancel by 9. 9 2s are 9 10s are. Again by 2, 2 1s are 2 5s are. So how much is getting? 1 by 5 is the answer. Getting? Sorry. Number 19. A child has a die whose 6 faces shown below. Look the question there. There are 6 dice. One is A, the first one is A, second one is B, third one is C, third one, fifth, fourth one is D, E and A. How many are there? 6 are there. Number of possible outcomes is 6. Probability of getting A. Out of these 6, how many are there? A? Yes, 2 are there. So 2 by 6, cancel by 2. That. Probability of getting D. How many D are there? Only 1. So probability will be 1 by 6. Sorry. 20, 21 you can try as homework. 22 also you can try as homework. Let us look question number 23. A game consists of tossing one coin, 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting down the outcome each time, and if all the tosses give the same result, that is 3 head or 3 tails and losses otherwise. Calculate the probability that he lose the game. Yes. So when you toss a coin 3 times, which are the possible outcomes? These are the which are they? We can get hurt. All the 3 times we can get hurt, or we can get it first 2 times we can get head, and the third time we can get tail. Yeah, first time head, second time tail, and third time head. So if we look like that, these are the possible outcomes we can get when you toss a coin 3 times, or 3 coins are tossed together. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of favorable outcomes. Sorry, total number of possible outcomes is 8. This one makes clear. Head, tail, head, tail. Just placing that T in different places, you get it. Okay. Then what is asking there? When he will win if all the 3 outcomes are same. That means all the 3 times he get head or tail. These are the same one. So if he get these 2, he will win. This one and this one means he will win. Otherwise he will lose. So out of that 8 favorable, possible outcomes, in how many times only he will win? He will win only 2 times. That means how many chances are there to lose the game? Yes, number of favorable outcomes will be 6. 6 by 8. It is asking for losing the game only. Losing the game, how many times only he will win? Only in this one and this one only he will win. So these 6 cases he will lose the game only. So total number of favorable outcomes, total number of possible outcomes is 8. Number of chance of losing the game is 6. So 6 by 8 cancel by 2 will get 3 by 4. Getting clear? Remember this one, the possible outcomes. Okay. Then let us look the next question. Question number 24. A die is thrown twice. The same way. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that he will win? Probability that. So when the same way, just imagine you are taking 2 dice in, or 2 of you are standing together and tossing the die or throwing the die. Just imagine. So when you throw that one, both of you are throwing together. What we can get? The first one can get 1. Can we get 1? Yes. The second one? Yes. That is this one. You can get 1. Both you can get 1. Is it only that chance? No. The first one can get 1 and the second one can get 2. Is there is chance for that one? Yes, he can get 1. That is this one. The first one can get 1 and the second one can get 3. The first one can get 2 and the second one can get 1. That is this one. Like that, if you think like that, these much chances we can get there. These are the possible chances. Just imagine you are standing together, 2 persons are standing, or you are taking 2 dice in your both hands and throwing it. You can get any one of these chances only. 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6 like that up to 6 6. So altogether how many chances are there? You just count how many are there. 6 6 are 36 chances will be there. So total number of, when you throw two dice together or when you throw a die two times, which are the possible outcomes? How many are there? Yeah, make clear this one, just like a card. Remember this one. How many are there? Yes, 36 possible outcomes are there. Clear? Then look the first question. What is the first? Find the probability that 5 will not come up either time. We will not get 5 on any time. So instead of counting 5 not getting, you just count how many times we are getting 5. So here 5 is there, 5 is there, here 5 is there. So in out of this 36 times, how many times we get to 5? Look, that one, that is easy. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Not at all time, this one 2 times, 11 times. So how many times we get to 5? We get to 5 in 11 times. 11 times 5 is coming. Either anyone, in one case 5 is there. So how many times we are not getting 5? What we need there? Find the probability that we will not get to 5. In any one of the time we will not get to 5. How many out of this 36? 11 times we get to 5. That means how many times we will not get to 5? 25. 11 36 minus 11, that means 25 times we get it. Number of favorable will be, for the first one, will not get to 5 on either time means what will be the number of favorable outcomes? Yes, it will be 25, and the total will be how much? 36. And what is that second one? 5 will come up at least one time. How many times 5 getting? Yes, we are getting number of. So first one, number of favorable will be 5 not getting means number of favorable will be 25. 5 getting means number of favorable will be 11. Clear? So find the total number of possible outcomes is 36. Yes, clear. 5 will not get on either time. How many? 25 by 36. We cannot cancel. Keep like that. And what is the next one? 5 will come up at least once. What is the probability? Yeah, number of favorable will be 11. 11 by 36. Clear? So it is a simple chapter only. Try it, practice it properly, and that two question number 21 and 22 you try as homework. Same way you do and send me through the, and when you see the video you try to make the solution, try to write the solution. It is clear? Is it clear? So try to make the solution, write the solution, complete the notebook. Okay, I'm not asking you to send the notebook, no need, I believe you. So complete do the homework and send. If you have doubt I can correct and send it. Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.